Today is a huge day in the stock market for two reasons. One, Chipotle's 50-for-1 stock split has gone into effect. Now, it's pre-market at the time of me filming this. It's 8:41, but the stock is trading around $66 per share after their split. And two, and this is huge news, Rivian, wait till you see this, up 36.5%. Why? I'm about to tell you. But first, gotta do it. Please smash that follow if you're interested in investing. And go right here, click on the menu, and you will find all of these resources, and they are 100% free. There's not even an email sign up. It just launches right into the course. Okay, so why is Rivian up so much pre-market? Because they have joined forces with Volkswagen. Volkswagen has already invested $1 billion. They plan to go to $5 billion. That's huge news for both companies. Here's why. Rivian is still a relatively new company, and they've struggled to become profitable. Their cash flows are dwindling, and all of a sudden, here comes $5 billion. They need that money to help fund their new trucks, their new cars, and, to just stay in business. And Volkswagen, well, they're kind of weak on the electric vehicle front, so they're going to be partnering with Rivian to get access to their technology. Do you own Rivian stock, or are you about to? And do you own Chipotle stock? Let me know in the comments below. Smash that follow. Thanks for watching. See you later.